What is going on, guys? Today we're doing a 10-minute full body jump rope workout, and the only equipment you guys are going to need is a jump rope. The workout's going to be broken down into 10 rounds. Each round is going to be 1 minute, and we're going to be alternating between jump rope and a bodyweight exercise. Now, we will be doing some basic jump rope tricks in this video, so if you're unable to do the tricks, do not worry, you can still follow along. Just do regular jumping wherever we're doing the tricks. I'm also going to be using a speed rope for this workout, as this is much easier for tricks, but if you guys don't have one, just use whatever you have. Now, enough talking, let's get into the workout. Okay guys, we are on round number 1 of 10, and we are starting off with 1 minute of jump rope. Now, I can't emphasize enough the importance, and you're going to hear me saying this over and over and over again until you guys are sick of it, is the importance of keeping good form for jump rope. And how we're going to do that is we're going to make small circular motions with our wrists, we're going to keep our elbows and knees slightly bent, and most importantly, we're going to make sure that we're jumping on the balls of our feet. Now, a lot of people complain about joint pain and knee issues, and a lot of the reason is because you're jumping flat-footed or on your heels. So you want to make sure that you're jumping on the balls of your feet in order to minimize the impact that you're putting on your shins, your knees, as well as your other joints. Another pro tip that I have is you guys want to make sure that your shoulder blades are shrugged back and down. And this is really going to help you out, not necessarily in the beginning, but as you become more advanced, it's going to help you out with your tricks and help you to really pick up the pace and jump a lot faster. Now we're approaching the end of the first round. We have 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is the end of the first round. Now we're going to do 10 push-ups in the second round. So we want to make sure as well for the push-ups, and rather any exercise we're doing, we're keeping good form. So make sure that you're going nice and slow on the way down. It's not a race, guys. And you really want to make sure that the muscles are contracting and you're really feeling it. You want to make sure that your back is straight and your backside is not sagging down, and at the same time it's not way up in the air. Make sure your guys' back is straight, guys, and you're not cheating your form. Also, if you're finding it difficult, then you can definitely do them on your knees. There is no shame in that. It is absolutely fine. Do not cheat yourself, guys. Now we have a 30-second rest. And if you guys are struggling with the jump rope form, then I highly recommend you guys to check out my beginner jump rope tutorial. If you haven't already, as there is a lot of useful information in there and a lot of useful tips. Get a quick drink of water if you guys need to. We have 10 seconds until round 3. Round number 3, and we are back to 1 minute of jump rope, and we are doing crossovers. Now, a tip I can give you guys for the crossovers is you want to put your right hand where your left hand is and your left hand where your right hand is when you're crossing over. And when you're doing this, you're going to find that you cross at the elbows and the forearms rather than the wrists. Now, a lot of people have troubles with the crossovers when they're crossing at the wrists, and the reason why you're tripping over the rope is that you're not giving the rope enough room to cover the width of your body. Whereas when you're crossing at the forearms and the elbows, the rope has enough room to cover the width of your body, and that's why it's a lot easier to do it that way. So I would recommend doing it this way. And you also do not want to cross at the waist. You want to cross about halfway up your stomach, as I'm doing here. And that's going to make it a lot easier for you guys. 10 seconds left in the round, guys. Push it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round number 4, back to 10 push-ups. Making sure you guys are using good form. 1, 2, 3, nice and controlled. 4, 5, 1 to 2 seconds down. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we got a 30-second rest. And I get a lot of complaints, guys, about people not being able to get results out of the gym. And a large reason why is that you guys are not using proper form. And proper form is critical, and we really need to drop the ego and realize that sometimes if we can't lift a certain weight or do a certain exercise, we have to do the easier form in order to maintain proper form. 10 seconds until round number 5, guys. Round number 5, we are back to 1 minute of jump rope, and this time we are doing heel taps if you're able to. Now, it's important to make note, guys, that you want to make sure that your jump rope is the proper length, and how you're going to measure this is you're going to step on it with 1 foot, not 2, and you're going to bring it up towards your head, straighten out the handles, and it should come to the bottom of your chest. If the rope is too long, then you want to shorten it, and if it's too short, I'd suggest getting a new rope. But a lot of the reason why you guys are tripping over the rope is because it could be too long or it could be too short, so just make sure it's the proper length. Now less than 30 seconds to go in the round, guys. Push it. Keep going. We only got 20 seconds left, and in a second here, we're going to switch to double unders to finish off the round strong. Let's go, guys. Let's do some double unders. Double unders. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it, guys. Get that heart rate up. We only got 5 seconds left in the round. 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Now we're going to do 10 squats. Making sure you guys are using good form. 1, going till parallel. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice and controlled, guys. Keep pushing it. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now 30-second rest, guys. And just to point out for the squats is that if you guys are having knee issues, you do not need to go below parallel. Just go as high as you guys can comfortably go. Just make sure too that you're just going very nice and controlled, 1 to 2 seconds down, and really feeling the muscles working. And now we got 10 seconds until round number 7. Round number 7, and we are back to 1 minute of jump rope, and we are back to doing crossovers, guys. Making sure that you guys are breathing at this point, and especially getting later on in the workout, guys, you tend to make a lot more mistakes when you're more tired, so you want to make sure that you're taking nice deep breath and staying nice and relaxed. And when we're doing the crossovers, guys, we want to make sure that our body is moving very fluidly, and we want to make sure that we're very nice and loose when we're crossing over. We don't want to stay really, really stiff. And we got less than 30 seconds left in the round, guys. Push it. Keep doing continuous crossovers, guys. Keep going. And if you can't do the crossovers, like I said, just do regular skipping. Just remember to push yourself. 15 seconds left, guys. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round number 8, guys, and we are back to 10 squats. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep pushing it, guys. 8, 9, and 10. And now we're going into our last round of jump rope, guys. We have a 30-second break here. And the last round, we're really going to finish the workout strong, and we're going to try and do as many double unders as we can. And like I said, if you can't do the trick, then just do some regular skipping, but just make sure to push yourself and get that heart rate up. But for the rest of you guys who can do double unders, we're going to try and do double unders the whole entire round. 10 seconds left. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We are doing double unders the whole round. Double unders, double unders, double unders. Push yourself, guys. Keep pushing it. This is the last round, guys. You really want to finish the workout strong, and you do not want to cheat yourself. We're already a quarter of the round done. 45 seconds to go, guys. Keep pushing it. Make sure you guys' timing is on point. You're always counting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep going, guys. We got 30 seconds left in the round. Keep pushing it. This is the last round of jump rope, guys. Finish the workout strong. Keep going, guys. 20 seconds to go. I know you guys' shoulders are burning, but keep going. Keep pushing it. Only got 10 seconds to go, guys. Keep pushing it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The final round now, guys. We are finishing it off strong with a 1-minute plank. Now make sure you guys' form here is good. We want to finish off the workout strong. Make sure your backside is not sagging down too low, and at the same time it's not way up in the air. You're making sure that your back is straight. You're making sure that you're on your elbows and your forearms as well. Keep pushing it, guys. Only got 36 seconds to go. Keep pushing it. Make sure that core is tight, guys. 30 seconds to go. Keep pushing it, guys. You only got 20 seconds left in the workout. Finish strong. Keep going, guys. You can do it. Keep going. There's only 12 seconds in the workout, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep pushing it. 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is the end of the workout, guys. Leave your guys' feedback in the comments. I want to know how the workout went for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.